Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to find and clear out the accounts you follow that never even set up a profile photo using Circleboom's Egghead Following feature. First, open Circleboom. Click the following icon in the sidebar and select Egghead Following from the list. Then, Circleboom shows you every followed account still using the default avatar. No custom profile photo at all. In this account, that's 15 out of 677 total following. After that, scan the table. Each account shows tweet count, join date, follow ratio, and engagement level. So you can tell an abandoned or throwaway account apart from a real person who just never got around to uploading a photo. Use filter options above the table if you want to narrow the list further by tweet count, join date, or engagement. Once you're happy with the accounts in front of you, click the checkbox at the top of the table to select all of them at once. Then click Unfollow. Circleboom asks you to confirm how many profiles you're about to unfollow. So click Unfollow Selected Profiles to clear them all out in one go. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming!